Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest updates, strategies, and insider tips from the world of Hamster Kombat. If you're passionate about dominating the battlefield and staying ahead in the game, you're in the right place. Today, we've got some groundbreaking news directly from the official Hamster Kombat Telegram channel. We're diving deep into the latest updates from August 13, 2024, and discussing how these developments could impact your gameplay and the future of the hamster ecosystem. So, whether you're a seasoned fighter or a newbie to the battlefield, stick around for all the details. On August 13, 2024, the Hamster Kombat team dropped some major news, and trust me, this is something you don't want to miss. This official post from the Hamster Kombat Telegram channel sheds light on some big moves they're making with their new Playground initiative. But you might be wondering, what exactly is Playground, and why should you care? Let's break it down so you can understand how this affects your experience in Hamster Kombat. First off, let's talk about what Playground is. In simple terms, Playground is a platform where Hamster Kombat hosts third-party games. But it's not just about adding more games to our lineup, it's about giving these games a massive boost in visibility. By featuring them on Playground, Hamster Kombat helps these games rise to the top of their categories, which naturally draws in more traffic. And here's the best part: as more people discover and play these games, the Hamster Kombat community grows stronger, bringing in more players, more competition, and ultimately, more fun for all of us. So, why is this important? Well, for starters, the growth in our community means that Hamster Kombat isn't just another game, it's becoming a hub for gamers and developers alike. More players mean more action, more events, and a more vibrant ecosystem. And that's exactly what we want, right? Now, let's talk about what this means for the future of Hamster Kombat and how it benefits us as players. The Playground pilot program isn't just a one-off experiment, it's a strategic move that's already setting the stage for some major developments. Here's how it's working. Revenue sharing. A portion of the advertising revenue generated from these third-party games goes directly back into the Hamster Kombat project. This money covers essential costs like servers, team expenses, and even preparations for listings. What's exciting is that this financial model allows Hamster Kombat to continue growing without needing to rely on external investments for future airdrops. That's right, more airdrops, and less outside influence. This means we, the community, get to maintain more control over the game's future. The hamster effect. But there's more. The success of Playground has caught the attention of game publishers and developers, who are witnessing what's being called the hamster effect. They're seeing the power of our community in action, and they're ready to take bigger risks and dive deeper into the hamster ecosystem. What does that mean for us? It means we're going to see more games that not only accept hamster tokens as in-game currency but also allow us to earn them. Imagine playing your favorite games and earning real value that you can use across the hamster universe. Tier 1 developer interest. And it doesn't stop there. The success of this pilot program has piqued the interest of Tier 1 developers. Yes, the big names in the gaming industry. They've seen the potential of our community, and now, they're interested in working with us. This could bring high-quality, high-retention games to Hamster Kombat, offering us even more exciting experiences and challenges. But wait, there's more. The Hamster Kombat team isn't just focused on adding new games. They're also prioritizing games that offer real money trading, or RMT. This is a game changer, literally. In the near future, we could see our in-game achievements and items being converted into on-chain NFTs. That's right. You could actually own your in-game loot and trade it across different games within the hamster ecosystem. The vision here is truly innovative. A unified hamster ecosystem where your game valuables, whether they're items, achievements, or currencies, can be transferred across different games and universes. All of this will be tied together by a universal token that you can soon receive via an airdrop. This means more ways to earn, trade, and enjoy your gaming experience. But the excitement doesn't stop there. The Hamster Kombat team is hard at work building a robust technical infrastructure around the Hamster Kombat app. This infrastructure will enable them to issue personalized tokens to players, influencers, and streamers. It's not just about playing games anymore, it's about becoming a part of a decentralized gaming ecosystem where you can earn and use tokens across different platforms. This future vision is all about giving power back to the players, making your in-game efforts more valuable and rewarding. And speaking of rewards, there's something huge on the horizon that you'll want to keep an eye on. Before the much-anticipated airdrop, the Hamster Kombat team has hinted at even more exciting news to come. They've promised to reveal additional details about their future plans, which could include new game launches, innovative features, or even groundbreaking ways for us to earn within the ecosystem. This means that what we've discussed today is just the tip of the iceberg. As the airdrop approaches, we can expect to see the team rolling out teasers, sneak peeks, and announcements that will keep the community buzzing with anticipation. It's not just about distributing tokens, it's about building momentum and ensuring that every player is equipped to take full advantage of what's coming next. Whether you're interested in maximizing your earnings, discovering new games, or exploring cutting-edge features like NFTs and real money trading, there's something in store for everyone. This is just the beginning, folks. Hamster Kombat is evolving, and with each update, we're getting closer to a more interconnected, player-driven ecosystem. Imagine a future where your in-game efforts translate into real-world value, where your achievements are recognized across multiple games, and where the community's growth directly benefits every single player. The possibilities are endless, and the future is looking incredibly bright for all of us in the Hamster Kombat community. So, make sure you stay tuned for those updates, because you won't want to miss out on what's coming next. Whether it's new games, new features, or new ways to earn, the Hamster Kombat universe is expanding, and you're at the heart of it all. Get ready to level up your experience and take your place in the future of gaming with Hamster Kombat. So, Hamster Warriors, what do you think of these updates? Are you excited about the potential for NFTs, or maybe you're looking forward to the airdrop? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from the Hamster Kombat universe. We've got tons of exciting content coming your way, so stay connected.